Hey guys, Brian here with Exclusive Paint Protection in Charlotte, North Carolina. And behind me, we've got this 2023 Porsche Turbo S. And it is just gorgeous, just beautiful. We have had the opportunity of applying paint protection film and ceramic coating to help preserve this vehicle. Not only are we helping to preserve the paint of this vehicle, but we're providing our client, our customer, with the confidence of taking this car and putting it on the road and enjoying it as it should be enjoyed. With this car being at the price point that it is, and the cost of repaint as expensive as it is, and the devaluation that may occur in the value of the car because of damage done to the paint, our client has decided that he wanted just to have the full body of this car protected. You will see in this video us applying paint protection film to several sections. The video would have been much longer than needed if we showed you all the pieces, but we've opted to just show you select pieces being done and ceramic coating being applied. If you are in Charlotte, North Carolina, and you have a Porsche, or you have any other luxury or exotic car, we would appreciate that you stop by, give us an option, look at our shop, look at our work, and let us know if we can serve you by helping you to preserve the value of your luxury and exotic vehicle. Thanks for watching, and comments are always welcome. And by the way, this thing, the like, the thumbs up, we like those. Thanks. See you next time.